Today, I'm going to show you how to make recurring Zoom meeting. First, open Zoom and sign into your account. You can use desktop app or go to zoom.us. Next, click the schedule button on the upper right corner. This opens the meeting settings window. After that, you can enter your meeting name and optional description. Scroll down, then checks the box that says recurring meeting under time zone. Now choose how often the meeting repeats, either daily, weekly, or monthly, or no fixed time. You can also set how many times it repeats, or choose an end date. You can also customize the meeting ID, passcode, waiting room, and video or audio preferences as needed. If you're done, click Save if you're on the web app or Schedule if you're using the app. And that's it. You now have a recurring Zoom meeting. If this video helped you, just click like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon.